In this video, let's see the 1.5-inch wheel spacers before and after. Let's go. Installing wheel spacers is a cost-effective way to keep the wheels you have, while increasing your track width. Installing wheel spacers can provide a bit more additional clearance, so you could slow spare issues. BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage half-century rims. The multi-stage half-century design provides the bevels to fit the corresponding half flange, which eliminate any possible gaps. The wheels are well balanced so that there will be less chance of vibration. In addition, the precision of the BONOSS wheel spacers reaches 0.02 mm. Precise half-century wheel spacers provide high surface integrity and effectively ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. Once again, my name is Grace. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.